Since the dawn of history, humans wanted to be happy and successful. Now, historical records trace down the origin of psychological and philosophical pursuit of happiness to China, to India, to Greece nearly 2,500 years ago. Now, there have been endless theories and recently also scientific research on happiness and how it's connected to success, and many actually contradict one another. So one said that to seek true and solid happiness, we need to distinguish the real happiness from the imaginary kind. But that's actually the past, because recent studies have shown that the imaginary kind of happiness is just as real and fulfilling. So is happiness real? Is it scientific? Is it objective? Should it be a separate goal to success, or should the two be included in one another? Is being successful but really miserable, is that considered success? Are the definitions for happiness and success something that change from generation to generation, from culture to culture? Do you define happiness the same way as your grandparents did? If you move to another country, will your goals change? Will your aspirations change? So all of these are very deep questions, and to answer them, we'll start the first section of the course by examining humanity's quest for the two things that have been on everyone's mind for hundreds of years: happiness and success.